Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to begin. Power on the iPhone by holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once done, follow the on-screen language and region prompts, then insert your SIM or choose the eSIM option. This connects cellular now. Make sure you know your Apple ID email and password because you'll sign in next. This syncs contacts, photos, and purchases. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, have your trusted device or code ready so sign-in completes without delay. Now, connect to Wi-Fi so downloads and activation are fast. Choose a known network and enter the password. Next, create a strong passcode, then set up Face ID for quick unlocking. Follow the on-screen motion prompts to capture your face from different angles. After that, enable iCloud and select the items you want to sync, because iCloud keeps your data safe and available on other devices. Make sure to enable iCloud backup, so you can restore settings and apps if you switch phones later. You're almost done. Open the App Store and download essential apps. Sign in with your Apple ID for purchases and subscriptions. Once apps install, review settings, customize notifications, privacy, and location to control what apps can access. Make sure software is up to date under General Software Update because the latest iOS improves performance and security. If something goes wrong, activation, network, or Face ID, restart the iPhone, reinsert the SIM, and retry. If that fails, contact carrier support or Apple support for next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.